Hi everyone! I know it's been so long, but there's been a lot of stuff in the works, including a move to Japan. That's where I am at right now. I'm in Tokyo. I've officially moved. I'm in my hotel on my 2-week quarantine and I'm so excited. It feels natural. It feels natural. So I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to be making content again. I am happy to be able to share new adventures with everyone and new foods and new experiences. So yeah, I just wanted to reintroduce myself, reintroduce my channel. We're going to do a hotel room tour today. It is a small hotel room, so maybe I'll do some of the lobby as well, just so you can get a feel for what the hotel is like that I'm quarantining in here in Tokyo. But we made it! We made it! We made it, you guys. We actually made it to Japan. So I guess let's start with the reintroduction. I never really did an introduction for this channel when I first started out because I was just doing it, didn't really know where I was taking it. I knew I wanted to talk about things that I liked and show things that I liked, but wasn't sure how to describe it. So we're gonna do that now. My name is Marista. I am the mind creator, person, whatever, magical being behind Black Vegan Travels. On this channel, we follow my travels, we follow my journeys and how I experience veganism on those journeys. Obviously, I'm Black. That's where the Black comes in. Hi, I'm African American. But yes, I'm vegan. I've been vegan for over 3 years now, and I like sharing the food with people. People often ask me, family and friends often ask me, what do you eat? How do you eat when you travel? What do you like to eat? How do I substitute this for that? Well, can you eat here or do this or do that? And so I wanted to answer those questions. So I'm going to be sharing my own vegan creations as well as going out to restaurants, sharing other people's recipes and testing them out, and just sharing the beauty and versatility of vegan food, especially vegan food abroad. Some people might not think that there is vegan food abroad, but thankfully veganism has been growing in Japan, and I really want to showcase the changes and the just absolute variety that is involved with the kinds of foods you can have not only in your home country, which for me is America, but anywhere around the world. And we're kicking off that journey with Japan, which brings me to the other part of Black Vegan Travels, the travels. I love exploring. This is my 3rd time to Japan. I have been to Tokyo and Osaka, both for 2 weeks each separately. I love to travel. I've been to England before for a week. I've been to Hawaii. I love it. And people ask me constantly for travel tips. Where can I go to do this? What did you do when you were here? How do I buy insert here, like train tickets, or do the currency exchange, things like that. So I'm going to be sharing my travel experiences as well, letting people see into the different festivals that I partake in, or landmarks that I go to, or even just countrysides and cityscapes and things like that. I want to share the joy of travel, encourage more people to travel, and show that traveling doesn't have to be a scary experience, doesn't have to be a stressful experience, and even if it is, there's always a workaround. You can always get something positive out of it. So that's what we're here to do. We're here to eat well and travel often. Even in these uncertain times with COVID, there are still little journeys that you can make, and I hope that this will tide you over until you can make the big journey of your own. Alrighty, I'm going to jump right into the apartment tour and keep a lookout. There's going to be a quarantine experience video coming up. I'm going to be writing articles about the foods that I'm eating and the places that I'm going, so that you're not just seeing it, but you're getting more in-depth information about the history of some things, recipes attached when I do stuff like that. If I go out to eat, I'll find a recipe, that sort of thing. So follow me. Link down below are all of my links to my social media, my website, my everything. Yeah, my everything, my podcast. I am eager to share. I'm ready to share. I've been waiting for this moment, and I hope you all really enjoy what I have to bring to the table, and I will see you soon. Let's do this hotel tour.
Artlist.io.
Alrighty, we're starting at the entryway. Please ignore the suitcases. I just moved in and there's no space in which to put them. So it's going to be a weird balancing act. It was really interesting coming in. There's a key card where if you take it out, it turns your lights out, I think. After a while, this is the entryway light. But you had to put this key card in order to get the room lights to turn on. And right next to the entrance, we have a lovely little bathroom. It's got a toilet, not one of the fancy ones. It's not going to spray your butt or heat it or anything, but that's fine. Comes with shampoo, conditioner, body wash. I don't know if it's vegan. I have brought my own just in case, so that's not going to be a problem. And a bathtub and a shower. It is a nice, neat little bathroom. And exiting the nice, neat little bathroom is the rest of the room. This is it. This is just turning around. We've got a mirror so we can dress ourselves in the morning. A TV, which I am happy that we have. A bed. It's a nice bed. It's a good size. I'm happy about that. A little makeup area. There is tissue box, a container for tea, magazines, ordering out, but probably nothing for me. There's also a little mini fridge down here. See? And there's a little switch I had to flick to turn it on so it would start getting cold. A little rolly chair for our desk. So I can, well, I don't really do makeup, but if I did, this would be really nice to have. What is this? Fabric and air freshener. Nice. Sanitizer. What is this? Room light, right? Yep, room light. Let me adjust. Alright, we've got a room light adjustment. We've got a bed lamp adjustment. That's what this nozzle is. This will turn out the lights in the room behind me. This will turn out the light on the desk you just saw. Bam. Charger. And I believe this is an alarm clock, but all of the things are in Japanese. So I'm going to have to take my translator to that to see if it is actually an alarm clock or not. And of course, a telephone, a remote, writing pad. It's just a small little room. I think this is a humidifier. So yeah, it's nice, it's neat, it's quaint. I have a look out the window. I haven't looked out the window yet. Oh. Hey, straight into a tarp. So I guess I don't have to worry about peeping toms or anything like that. But yeah. Oh, it doesn't open all the way. Oh, because it's open. Okay. But yeah, this is nice. Nice little room. Yeah. That's my room tour. Simple, easy, breezy. I will show you a little bit more of the hotel as well, and just quarantine life in general. It's gonna be an interesting 2 weeks. Let's get ready, you guys. If you head down to the first floor of the APA Hotel, there is a common area with a few additional amenities.
Artlist.io.
A washer and dryer, which is coin operated. Individual and family bathrooms.
Music licensing reimagined.
A microwave. An ice machine. And a vending machine with chilled drinks.
Artlist.io.
There's also a restaurant on the first floor, which I did get the chance to visit and will be discussing in the week 2 quarantine video.
Licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the new food, travels, and info to come. As always, don't forget to eat well and travel often.
Music licensing reimagined.
On this travel, I want to share the joy of travel, encourage people to travel, and make sure it's recording.